Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have a fun and realistic toy that's going to keep your little one busy and active being creative. It's this tool bench toy from Deshara. Now it comes with realistic pieces, including a working battery operated drill, a little saw that moves every time you lift it, and you have screws and or bolts that you can unscrew with different tools that they've included. It's a very thoughtful and well-made tool bench for little ones. I have a young grandson, and he is rough on his toys. He really gets into playing, but this has been durable. It has stood up to him, and he goes back to it again and again because he enjoys playing with all the different bright pieces. You could actually put this together with your little one depending on their age. That would be a fun project as well, because the tools it comes with would actually work in putting it together. It also comes with stickers, so you can play with the stickers and also use the decals to decorate the tool bench, which is another added layer of playtime. My grandson is active, he is imaginative, and he can be rough, but this tool bench toy from Deshara has stood up to him, and he goes back to it again and again. I really love the way the tools actually work, how you can unscrew the bolts with the power drill or with the other pieces, and it's just very fun and realistic, and it's going to last him for several years, I'm sure, because it's going to keep him entertained even as he gets older. And that is my point of view.